Hello guys, this is Cassie. Welcome to our channel. This is the last video for the magnetic hoop series. If you guys have any more ideas about it, just subscribe us to tell it. Okay, next, I will introduce how to use the 8-in-1 magnetic hoop embroidering on a headband. I prepare the black headband. According to the headband, I choose a long size magnetic hoop and slightly bigger than the hoop, backing paper, and the handrail. Separate the long hoop. Put on the table. Put on the backing paper. Here are small tips. If your headband is too soft, you can put 2 layers backing paper. Then put on the headband. Put the magnetic part aligned to the bottom. And tighten the headband to make it flat. Then attach to the handrail. Now it was done. Move to the machine. Install it. Select the other embroidery frame. Click OK. Then choose the pattern. Go into the mood. Choose a color. Then click Set Start to confirm the correct embroidery area. Here it is. I love it. Okay, that's all of the videos for 8-in-1 magnetic hoop. If you like it, just click below to subscribe us. See you!